This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. HTML structure. If we compare HTML as a man, in the top of the man here HTML tag start, and the bottom of the man here HTML tag close. In the top of the head here header tag start, at the bottom of the head here header tag close. At the top of the body here body tag start, at the bottom of the body here body tag close. At the top of the foot here footer tag start, at the bottom of the foot here footer tag close. This is the basic HTML structure. Simple HTML. Browsers do not display the HTML tags but use them to render the content of the page. Generation of HTML. HTML first published on 1991, HTML 2.0 published on 1995, HTML 3.2 published on 1997, HTML 4.01 published on 1999, XHTML published on 2000, and HTML5 published on 2014. This is a simple HTML tag. At first you have to input the tag, then your content goes on here and the tag close. Tag example. Tag name. Start tag, in tag.